Hey, welcome back. Remember we flipped up the arms of the Shoulda Shot Coco Crazy Transformer Hasbro Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1. So yeah, now just saying turn the body, which I don't think you do. So yeah, see right there, literally step 2 is saying turn. Oh, you do tear. So I guess originally the face was supposed to be covered up, but someone there didn't turn it to cover up the face. But yeah, so remember I was complaining about, hey, why is there a big old face? You know, it's like, ooh, a cup of cocoa, and then, wow, my cocoa has a face on it. Yeah, apparently it's supposed to be like this, and then you turn to reveal the face. So someone at the ferry didn't follow step 2 in reverse. So step 3 we just did, there's little feet, and there it is. There is Coco Crazy. A nice little cup of cocoa with some marshmallows. He looks pretty cool. As you can see, there's his little symbol for what tribe he's from, or gang, or faction, I guess you would say. Is a free store. So it's a level free store. Whoa. Heartwarming hot chocolate. That's all it says. Heartwarming hot chocolate. Yeah. But yeah, that's Coco Crazy. Coco, you're so cray. You're crazy, man. But yeah, not a bad little ball. I kind of liked it. But yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.